Hi everyone, Brianna here with Westwind Counseling and Eating Disorder Recovery Center, and today I'm going to talk about the truth about carbohydrates. So carbohydrates are often a very misunderstood food group, and they often get a really bad reputation due to diet culture and different beliefs around them. So carbohydrates are one of our three main sources of energy, one of our macronutrients, and during digestion, carbohydrates are broken down into glucose, and then glucose is transported to our cells to provide energy to them. So there's a lot of different reasons why we do need carbohydrates. One of them is that they provide fuel. So carbs are our brain's preferred energy source, and our brain, as we can all guess, is a really big consumer of energy. So carbs help to provide energy for our central nervous system, our brain, and also for our muscles. So if we don't get enough carbohydrates, this can often lead to, difficulty concentrating or focusing, and can also affect our regulation of our emotions. So carbohydrates also provide protection. Carbohydrates have a protein sparing effect. So what this means is that carbohydrates are the most easily broken down into glucose to provide energy, which means that then protein doesn't need to get broken down to provide energy, so that carbs can be used to fuel our brain and our body, and protein can then be used for its main purpose, which is helping to repair and break down muscles and be used for muscle growth and repair. Carbohydrates are also really important for digestion. Some carbohydrates are helpful with providing healthy bacteria in our intestinal system. And then also fiber, which is a type of carbohydrate, is helpful in regulating our bowels and helps to provide bulk to our stool, which can make it easier to pass. Carbohydrates are also really important for our mood, sleep, and appetite. So carbohydrates are linked to serotonin release, which is a neurotransmitter that helps with mood regulation, sleep cycle, and regulating our appetite. So it is recommended that everybody has at least 45 to 65% of our daily intake coming from carbohydrates, which is probably a lot higher than what the popular belief leads us to believe. And also our brain needs a minimum of 120 grams of carbohydrate per day just to fuel our brain and all of the functions that it has. So the purpose of those numbers is not to get caught up in counting or specifics, but rather just to give an idea of how important carbohydrates are. So I hope that helps understand why carbohydrates are very important and are just as important as the other macronutrients.